How to use DeviantArt app. So let's just install it. It's one of the top apps to share and discover art. One of the largest art gallery and community. Explore your favorite art in this app. Get inspired by 500 million plus works of art. And this is a nice alternative to the app called Kara. You can also try Kara app, Art and Social, which is also getting a lot of attention. It's in the similar category. But yeah, if you wanna here, you can just let's just take a look at DeviantArt. It's also like a social media. It's also like your community where you can share your art, where you can get inspired, where you can follow your favorite artists, join groups, chat, stay up to date, and then yeah, you can just open it up, and then you can join it. Continues Google, Apple, or Facebook. So let's just try to log in instantly with Apple. Pick a username. And then that's what it is. Then you just have your feeds, and that's basically how it looks like. You have all types of different art. You can just save to favorite, you can comment, and then in the sidebar in the left, it kind of looks like a Discord or like a Slack. So yeah, it's pretty interesting. And on the left, you just have all the different groups you want to join. Like check out some of the recommended groups below. There are groups for every interest. So these are your groups, which you can just see here. And then it looks like Instagram for artists. And then you have posts. Oops, this app is a bit glitchy. Yep, but that's what it is. Then you have also like your chat, request chat, then you have notifications, then you have your account. You can edit your profile, website URL, submit your first deviation. So if you want, you can just post it here, status, journal, or literature. So whatever you just have here, and that's how you create a post. Photo upload quality high, just to make sure that you upload the highest quality photos here, and edit account settings. You can also delete your account, and yep, so that's basically the idea here in the app, and that's what it is. Then you have your groups. There are all types of different groups, and yep, so that's just how you can explore, and probably you can watch some people, and as an artist, maybe you can find some job opportunities here and be invited to events and use this platform as your marketing platform. So anything. So try this out.